Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Did this one when the chart looked like this, and then you can see the past 2 days have been very bullish, and I've had a bunch of questions saying, hey, the chart needs updated, and all those that were saying this are absolutely correct. Chart does indeed updated. On that note, these lines you see here were from the last time I did the video, so I'm not going to talk about why they are, where they are. All you have to do is go back in the video archives, look up the video from the last time I did it, and you'll see where these all come from. But that's essentially what the video is going to be, just an update and then mapping out some new levels of resistance since we've had some conversions here, and they're bullish conversions. So first I want to just get rid of this while it is still definitely a level of support. In order to keep kind of the chart as clutter free as possible, I'm going to get rid of these two areas of support. Again, they are still levels of support, but just to keep the chart simple and easy to look at, I'm just going to delete them for the time being, and then talk about how this support here is kind of the big one now. That's the purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. That's valued at 0.013. I know the chart is way up here, but really, as long as the price can remain above here now in over the course of time, the overall trend, the overall context, whatever you want to call it, will remain bullish, because this is a very important level of support. It's a very important moving average. So again, this is kind of the must hold, if you will, because as long as the price now remains above here, then the chart's going to start to really form a broader overall uptrend. Now, in terms of the conversions that I was talking about support-wise, the first conversion was this resistance was at 0.017. Now that the price is closed above it, this is one of the newest levels of support that has been put in. Another level, or another bullish conversion, I should say, is up here at 0.019. Is that right? Yeah, 0.019. So this also needs to be changed to green to represent support. And then kind of a miniature level of support that looks to have been put in, I think. Yeah, if I drop this down, this previous high right there, you can see on that day is at 0.0205. I'm going to leave that line skinny green, because while it is a level of support, yes, if the price were to drop below it, by no means nothing to panic about. Now let's figure out some new areas of resistance. The first one that sticks out to me is this area right over here, and I don't know if that's where the price got knocked down today or not, but this level is at 0.023. So this is one of the new levels of resistance. What was the high today? Let's see. High today was at 0.023, so not too surprising. I got this from looking here. You can see lots of price history of it acting as a support here, and then when the price did drop below it on this day, you can see the next day did try to get above it, but perfect example of a support turned into resistance. So 0.023 is that first level of resistance, and then the next one after that, you can see up here lots of price history right around what looks like 0.026. Drop that down a little bit, but you can see here lots of price history of the price knocking it down, and that level is at 0.026. So those are the next two levels of resistance that you'll want to keep your eye on. And again, I won't go any further than that, but if the price starts to put some closes above here and does some more bullish conversions, I will be back to update the chart again. But overall, great looking chart, nice continued move. So as long as the chart keeps putting in higher lows, that's the name of the game. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for a newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll receive a free ebook. And if you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was NTEK. Thanks for listening.